ibizwa i-art works for youth. So wangicela ukuthi ngizoyenza ama-workshops because usually ngiyathanda ukwenza ama-workshops e-creative writing, yabona storytelling, nawo ama-indigenous instruments futhi. So ubaba wangibona ngiperforma nje kayi-1 njengani kanje ngabuyela eJoburg. The next thing sengithungela uyithombe ubaba kasekadlala uMakhweyane. Ubaba she's a storyteller and she also got a scholarship in the US. Uyahamba nje ngomso. Uyofuna kuye. So bengizothi ukuthi ubaba azosiperformela istory sakhe.
No, this is
Why? Nohlala ndizibuza kutheni. Everything is difficult. At night I sleep on cardboards, cover myself with plastics. Ndiqhubele ngemilenze kamama. I wake up, tears in mom's face rolling down. Njengemvula isina. Without putting anything in my mouth, I go to school. My face full of ukungonwabi, eyes full of anger, needing my father's love. At school, I met my half-brother, smelling nice, smile on his face full of happiness, his eyes full of good time. He never silenced me. Instead, uhlekisa ngami. I just look at him, ngihleke. I don't know why. Ngiyohlala ndizibuza kutheni. My own father never loved me. His first intombi yakhe yokuqala, the one and only daughter. I don't know why. Ngiyohlala ndizibuza kutheni. When he looks at me, uyabawela ugama. I don't know why. I don't know why he brought me home mnyama and never switch on the light. I still need him to switch on this light. Kuba kukhona nokwazi. I still need him to switch on this light. Kuba kukhona nokwazi.